today let's start with chapter number 6, air. In this chapter, we will study about air. Air is present everywhere around us, you see. And through air, what we do, we breathe in oxygen. And what we breathe out carbon dioxide. And air is the most important part of our life. Air is everywhere. It is present all around us. Without air, without air, there can be no life. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Without air, there will be no life. We cannot see air, neither we can touch it, but we can feel the air. Next is your air is around us. Now take a piece of cardboard. Now you have to take a piece of cardboard, wave it near your face. आपको ऐसे करके अपने face के near उसको wave करना है. You feel something moving. And what it is moving? It is moving air. Next is travel in a train or bus. You are traveling in a train or in a bus. When you take out your head out of the window, we can see the air. And that moving air is called wind. What is moving air known as? Moving air is known as wind. Next is characteristics of air. What are the characteristics of air? First is air occupies space. First is air क्या करती है? Space occupy करती है. आप क्या करो? Balloon लीजिए, inflated balloon. There is no air. When you fill air net, फूल जाता है, blows हो जाता है, फूल जाता है, तो air क्या करती है? Space occupy करती है. Take a flat balloon, blow air into it, it gets larger. Air from the mouth occupies the space in the balloon. So it grows bigger in size. Now loose the mouth of the balloon and hold your palm near it. You feel air coming. फिर आप क्या करो? उसको lose कर दो. When you will lose that balloon, you will see that the air will be coming inside from it. Next is air has a weight. Now, you must take 2 footballs. One inflated and one is inflated. एक में हवा भरी हो, एक में ना भरी. Can you tell me which football will have more weight? The air which has weight. उसमें क्या होगी? Air जिस football में क्या होगी? Air होगी, उस football में क्या होगा? ज़्यादा. By this we understood that air has a weigh a football with no air in and fill air into it and weight again. You will find that football with the air in it is heavier. This shows that air has a weight. Then what you do, you weigh both the footballs and see whose weight is more and whose weight is less. जिसका weight ज़्यादा होगा तो ज़्यादा heavier होगा, इससे क्या पता चलता है? इसका weight भी क्या होगा? ज़्यादा. Next is air is needed for life. Like I have told you at the starting of the chapter. What we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen. And what plants take in? Carbon dioxide. And both things are necessary for our life. All living things need air to live. Asleep or wake, we are breathing all the time. Air has oxygen. Oxygen burns the eaten food slowly in the body parts and produces energy all the time. And perform our life functions. So what is this? I have told you the oxygen जो कि वो burn कर जाती है when the food is eaten slowly. ठीक है? और क्या करता है? सारे जितने भी आपके life process है वो कर. Next is air is needed for burning. Air हो क्या मतलब burn अगर कैंडी वगैरह आपको burn करनी है तो और उसके लिए आपको किसकी नीड पड़ती है? Air. Now lit a candle. You have lit 2 candles. What you will do on one candle? Cover it with the glass. जैसे ही आप उसको ग्लास से कवर करोगे, the candle will be क्या हो जाएगी? वो बुझ जाएगी. ठीक है? Because there is no presence of air inside the glass. So air is needed for burning. Take 2 lighting candles, cover one with an inverted glass jar. The candle covered with jar stop burning because air supply stop. क्यों stop हो जाएगी जलना? क्यों burn करना stop हो जाएगी? क्योंकि जो आपका glass jar है उसमें air का presence नहीं है. That's why candle will stop burning. Next is air pollution. What is air pollution? We need fresh air for breathing. Air is rich in oxygen called fresh air. Air किस में rich है? Oxygen में. That is fresh air which we breathe in. No, not all air is fresh. It is full of dust, germs, and smoke. Certain air is called polluted air. The air which have germs dust and smoke in it. It is called polluted air. There are various reasons for air pollution. There are many reasons. But air को pollute करने में there are different reasons. Industries कर रही हैं, motor vehicles कर रहे हैं, factories कर रहे हैं. So there are different reasons. One by one I will tell you. Smoke from factories. Smoke factories से निकल रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, कहाँ mix up हो रहा है, fresh air. Smoke from vehicle. Burning garbage. हम क्या करते हैं, garbage को burn करते हैं. Decaying garbage left in the open. मतलब क्या करते हैं लोग, garbage हटा कर open में छोड़ते हैं. उससे भी क्या हो रही है, हमारी air pollute हो रही है. Dust in the air या फिर stink from a public toilet. देखो ना स्मेल आती है जो public toilets होते हैं, उससे भी क्या हो रही है, आपकी एयर क्या हो रही है, harmful. Now, polluted air is very harmful. Human beings get many diseases like asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer due to air pollution. देखो, polluted air, it is very harmful. It may cause different disease to the people like asthma, ठीक है, bronchitis, lung cancer. Plants die. With plants क्यों die कर जाते हैं? Because they get collected, जो ये dust होती है इनके leaves पे collect हो जाती है. And this close to the stomata, the host for which they breathe and leading to their death. तो क्या होता है, जो स्टोमेटा होता है leaves पे, उसके डिपोजिशन की वजह से वो क्लोज हो जाता है, इसकी वजह से वो सांस नहीं ले पाते और प्लांट्स क्या हो जाता है, प्लांट्स डाई. Now controlling air pollution. How you will control air pollution? There are different. I will tell you some different steps what you must take to control air pollution. First is get vehicle 24 hours. आपको pollution जो होता है vehicle का चेक करना चाहिए रेगुलरली. देखो वैसे भी आप देखा, इट्स मैंडेटरी टू हैव अ पॉल्यूशन. फैक्ट्रीज शुड हैव फिल्टर्स इन दैट रूम. फैक्ट्रीज की जो चिमनी होती है, दैट शुड बी अ फिल्टर. नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट मोर ट्रीज. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्रीज प्लांट करो. आप क्या करना, एफॉरेस्टेशन कर. व्हाट इट्स डू, इट्स प्यूरिफाई द एयर. नेक्स्ट इज फैक्ट्रीज शुड बी बिल्ड अवे फ्रॉम सिटीज. आपको सिटीज से थोड़ी दूर बनानी. गार्बेज शुड बी डम्प्ड प्रॉपर्ली एंड कीप द ड्रेन्स कवर. और जो ड्रेन्स होते हैं उनको कैसा रखना है, कवर्ड रखना है, इससे वहां से फुल स्मेल ना. नाउ फ्रेश एयर. वी मस्ट ब्रीथ इन फ्रेश एयर. वी कैन गेट फ्रेश एयर इन द फॉलोइंग. आपको कैसी एयर को ब्रीथ इन करना है, फ्रेश एयर. फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट दिस फ्रेश एयर? गो फॉर वॉक इन द गार्डन. आप गार्डन में, पार्क में वॉक के लिए जाएं मॉर्निंग इवनिंग जब आपका मन करे. कीप योर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. प्लांट मोर ट्रीज अराउंड योर हाउस. अपने घर के आसपास ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेड़ लगाएं, ठीक है. कीप विंडोज ओपन. डो नॉट स्लीप विद अ फेस कवर या प्लेन द. कभी भी फेस को कंप्लीट कवर करके नहीं सोना है और ओपन में फील, ठीक है, जिससे आपको क्या मिले, फ्रेश एयर मिले एंड यू विल फील काम. नाउ our chapter has been completed. In this chapter, I have told you about air pollution. There are dust particles, germs or smoke, what polluted our air. Then I have told you about what are the ways, जिससे आप causes बताए थे मैंने आपको, फिर आप कैसे air pollution को control कर सकते हैं, कुछ steps बताए थे. Hope you understood the chapter. Now we will start with exercise of the chapter. First is take the correct task. Trees and plants make the air. What do tree and plants make the air polluted, fresh या clean? Fresh. We all need air to breathe, drink या eat. Breathe. We must keep our window open to let in. No polluted air, down from the air, fresh air. क्यों रखना चाहिए? जिससे fresh air क्या है हमारे पास. Fresh air is rich in ऑक्सीजन, डस्ट या स्मोक. फ्रेश एयर किसमें रिच होती है, ऑक्सीजन. दैट शुड नॉट बी लेफ्ट इन द ओपन. Garbage. Air rich in dash is called pure air. Air which is rich in oxygen. Keep the drains closed. Plant more dash to purify air. What you have to plant? We have to plant more trees. Dash air causes disease. Polluted air. Polluted air causes disease. Next is write T for true and A for false statement. First is without air there can be life. False. Without air there can be no life. Next is plants die when the dust is collected on their leaves. It's true. Because what happens? The stomata get closed down and they are unable to breathe. The candle will continue to burn even if air supply stop false. The candle will not burn. Next is polluted air is very useful. False. It is unuseful. We must try to control pollution. It's true. Now answer the following question. Where is air present? Air is present in the atmosphere. List the two characteristics of air. Air helps us to breathe. Air हमें किसमें ब्रीथ करती है? हेल्प करती है ब्रीथ करने में. Air helps in burning. When do we feel air? When air, moving air. जब air move करती है, we feel air. What is air pollution? When dust, germs and smoke mix with the air, it is called air pollution. What is the effect of air pollution on humans and plants? What happens? Human may cause disease like asthma, lung cancer, and plants may die because the dust particles get deposited on their leaves. Because of that, what happens? Stomata close down. जो पोर्स होता है स्टोमेटा के वो बंद हो जाता है, ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई बंद हो जाती है, तो क्या होता है? प्लांट डाई. Now prove the following statement with example. Air occupies space. Like football, air has a weight. I have given the example of football also. I have given one inflated and one uninflated. Air is needed for burning. Like I have given the example of candle. Take two candles, put one jar on the candle will stop burning because air supply stop moving. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.